In this video, we will discuss the Analytics tool. The Analytics tool allows you to gain insights from raw data with our artificial intelligence GPR engine. It utilizes an AI-assisted automatic hyperbola picking algorithm to detect hyperbolas. Therefore, hyperbolas need to exist in the data. This tool can be accessed from the Analytics button on the toolbar. The different maps that can be created are the deterioration, cover, moisture, and condition map, all of which are based on automatic hyperbola detection using AI. Let's generate a moisture map. Select the desired quality for the map to generate. When generating any map from Analytics, a message appears on the top to let you know that the hyperbola detection has started, and the first rebar layer appears on the Insights section on the left panel, which is a list with all the Insights maps created. During calculations, a progress sphere will appear next to the first rebar layer. You can still use the interface to perform other processing or visualization tasks during calculations. When the map is ready, a message will appear at the top of the window. Click on the item to display the map on the Slice View window. When selecting the first rebar layer, its information section will appear in the right panel, from which you can make certain adjustments. You can adjust the confidence range to include only points that have a certain confidence level and above. If not enough detection points are displayed, reducing the confidence level is recommended. You can also adjust the depth range at which to search for points. It is recommended to adjust the depth range to the area containing the first rebar layer only. We can also choose whether the maps are updated live with every change or not. We will switch this option off for now. Detection points can be edited. By selecting the first rebar layer item, the Edit Detection Points and Velocities tool appears on the toolbar. By clicking on this tool, you can adjust as necessary the detection points, delete or add new detection points. The two horizontal red lines define the selected depth range. Hovering over a point will display its confidence level, velocity, and dielectric value. Click at a point to adjust its position and the fitted hyperbola. The fitted hyperbolas will be shown only when a moisture map is created. Points that were detected by the AI algorithm will show with green triangles on the B scans. Red color triangles represent inaccurate velocity estimations. These are not considered for the moisture map calculation. We can select and delete these points using the Delete tool from the toolbar. New detection points can be added by clicking at the desired locations. Added and edited points will show with yellow triangles. Finally, you can export the detection points by clicking on the button at the bottom right of the window.